What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome to our next episode of our Shopify Masterclass. Now, if you like any of my Shopify Masterclass series, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new episode, you're going to get notified right away. Now, in today's topic, we're going to talk about Black Friday hacks. As we all know, Black Friday and also Cyber Monday, what we call in short, BFCM, is one of the most profitable times for any e-commerce businesses. However, at the same time, as we all know, competition can be pretty tough. With right now, we entering in Q4 of the year, CPM across the boards in all advertising platforms are going to be very expensive because everyone knows that Black Friday and Cyber Monday and during the holidays, that's when all the people start to actually spend a lot of their money online. According to a study, which I forgot where I saw this, there are basically 70% of people, of advertisers that scale up their ads drastically during Q4. And again, the reason why is because the society, the consumers are really ready to buy whatever you have for sale. So that being said, in today's topic, I want to share with you some of the Black Friday hacks that you can actually apply for your business. So first thing first is start thinking about promotion, This is very important. I'm going to put number one. Promotion. Now, I'm not basically saying, well, think of a promotion like how many percentage discount off, etc., etc. That is a given. We all know that every single e-commerce store will start advertising 50% off, 60% off store-wide. Now, again, like we said, at the end of the day, a lot of people are using this strategy. How can you be different? Well, there are a couple promotions that you can actually think about that really beat your competitor. The first one is simply gift with purchase, Gift with purchase. Now you might be wondering, well, Fred, what does it mean by gift with purchase? Well, it's very simple. Create like $100. If someone actually buy anything during the Black Friday weekend of over $100, you give them a gift for free. A lot of retailers that sells cosmetic use this strategy a whole lot because they know that people obviously wanted to spend money to actually get that gift. So you can actually create a minimum of $100. And when it goes to $100, then at that point, obviously you can give them a gift and make that gift very, very attractive. Another thing that you can do, now this is on top of the crazy discounts that you are offering, you can also say for any orders that are over $100, get free shipping, That is another one that you can go after, free shipping. Free shipping. All right, it's another really great way. Now, at the end of the day, obviously we all know when you started to seriously put in a lot of discounts into your store, then chances are there's not going to be a lot of margins. So what can you do to tackle that? The other way when it comes to promotion is you can create bundles. This is actually very, very important. So let's say that you have a unicorn store. Now in that unicorn store, you can actually create a specific bundle package of a collective goods that is all related to unicorn and sell it for a lower price. So let's say that the retail value of this product is going to be $200, but now you're actually selling it for $70 when they are actually buying it as a bundle. That way you can actually save on shipping, and most importantly, you can actually make more profit by selling more items. So you really have to figure out what is your promotional message. What is the promotion that you are going to go and market when you are advertising during or selling to your customers during Black Friday and Cyber Monday? So these are the three strategies that you can actually apply on top of the crazy discounts that you are offering for your store. Now, once you actually got your promotion marketing tactic in place, the next thing that you wanted to do is obviously have banners or countdown banners across your site. Now in the Shopify App Store, there's a ton that are for free that you can use. Get a free one and basically start having a countdown timer or when it will end. People buy based on urgency. And if on your website you say get a free gift for any orders over $100 and you have a countdown timer that is ending at the end of Cyber Monday, people will actually see that, holy crap, I want to start buying right now so I can take on to the offer. So you want to do that. Broadcast your message anywhere possible. Now, on top of that, again, I'm literally just running down, giving you guys crazy strategies right now, so make sure you take notes, okay? And if you have any questions, make sure you let me know right in the comment box. I will answer them. Now, going back into this, the other thing that you can actually do, which is very, 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 very powerful, all right, which is creating a specific collection of all the products you have for sale. So rather than people actually have to go and shop around just to actually figure out what product is on sale, etc., create a specific Black Friday promotion of the collection. So people can actually click on that collection and they can see all the products you have for sale. So definitely do that when you are going in markets. Now that we got your website taken care of, we got the promotional message done, the next thing that you wanted to do is figure out traffic, right? We all know that we got the strategy, now we got to get traffic. Now here's the deal. A lot of people started to really focus on new customers when it comes to having a holiday promotion such as Black Friday. It's smart, but at the end of the day, I say it is dumb. The reason why I'm saying that is because where you are going to bank in the most during any of these holiday season is really selling to your customers. Remember, in psychology, when a person actually bought from your store before, they trust you, they think that you're credible, they like what you have to offer. For them to actually buy again, it's actually a lot easier. Now, here's the problem. In the world of e-commerce, a lot of people are chasing new customers every day. Now, it's not saying that you shouldn't do it. You should be chasing new customers every day, but at the same time, you should also allocate budget to really advertise to those that are already your customers because they are so much easier to actually capture. So that being said, what you want to do is have a strategy in place that is really going after your existing customers or prospects or people that don't know of you. Now, in this video, it's gonna take me forever if I go through everything. I wanna basically share strategies on how you can maximize your profit with your existing customers. So there's two things that you want to do, and I'm gonna put it on step number 2. Number 1 is email, okay? During Black Friday, during the weekend, when you're leading up to it, what you wanted to do is a day or two in advance. Okay, let's say that Black Friday is obviously on a Friday. On Wednesday, give them a pre-sale. Tell them that something massive is coming. Give them a bait, right? Get them really curious and interested on what is happening. Then once Friday hits, what you want to do is send 2 emails every day in terms of Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and also Monday. Now you might be wondering, Fred, you're out of your mind. Why am I emailing my customers and spamming them? At the end of the day, it's fine. You're not spamming them because every single person knows that during this time, they're gonna receive a lot of marketing messages and it is going to be fine. They will be like, you know what? It's fine, I get it, it's Black Friday. They wanna basically get the message out. So you wanna actually set 2 emails to go out on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and also Monday. And what you wanted to do is schedule one in the AM and schedule one in the PM. If you ask me the time, I would actually say 9 a.m. and also I would send one again at 5 p.m. And all these are obviously based on Eastern Standard Time. Whenever we do any of these timing promotion stuff, always go after Eastern Standard Time. All right. Now, in the email, make sure you create a lot of urgency, have countdown, telling them when it expires, because again, people buy based on urgency. The second part to the equation is actually running dynamic product ads, okay? If you guys have Pixabay, congratulations, you can easily do this. Once you actually have your collections in place, what you want to do is simply re-upload your catalog if it is not synced yet, if it's not updated automatically, fetch that catalog again, and here's what you want to do. You want to run a dynamic product ad which is basically ads that are carousel and it runs on its own on what product needs to be shown, and creates a specific catalog just for your Black Friday promotion. Then what you want to do is advertise that dynamic product ad everywhere, to your customers, to your new customers, and really tell them that you have a Black Friday sale going on. And that way, what you're really doing is you are trying to basically have multi-channel marketing right now. You're going through emails, you're going through dynamic product ads, obviously advertising. And the last thing you want to do is also post on social media. Regardless of how many followers you have, I don't care. You need to have what we call omnipresent. Be vocal. Do everything you can to get your message out. So basically in all your social media, make sure you post 2 to 3 times a day, okay, to basically have the message out. So you are not having any loopholes or any chance for your customers or your prospects not to see your Black Friday sale. Now, the last thing that I can share with you, which is a crazy strategy, all right, and that we are starting to apply this and we see significant impacts, is actually Messenger. Now, you might be wondering, well, Fred, you never really talk a lot about Messenger, and the reason why is I'm not an expert when it comes to Facebook Messenger. However, Messenger right now has a tremendous open rate. It is far more engaging than emails right now. And there is a specific strategy that you can apply with Messenger leading up to Black Friday, which is creating a simple contest so that people will engage with your posts. And when they engage with your posts, guess what? You got their information. You can then start sending them Messenger broadcasts to actually make your money back. I got a buddy of mine who has actually made over 20,000. I think it was 200. I forgot the number on top of my head. It was a ridiculous amount of ROAS, return on ad spend, by simply utilizing Messenger. And again, if you're not using Messenger, you're out of your mind right now. Because with Messenger, again, it's going through the omnipresence. You are simply having your message going out to people that are obviously using Facebook Messenger a lot. And there are a lot of people right now on Messenger. And to be more specific and crazy, Facebook now actually have specific advertising placement for Messenger at the same time. So for you, you are basically advertising in every way possible. And with Messenger, the ROIs are really ridiculous. Now, I can't go in detail about what the Messenger is about, but if you, all right, right below in the video description, there's actually a link where my buddy and I are going to actually talk more about Messenger and how you can actually use Messenger during holiday promotion to make a ridiculous ROI. And if you're interested in learning how you can actually apply Messenger in your e-commerce business, make sure right below this video, there's a link. Click on it and sign up for our workshop. We will basically go in detail on how you can simply use Messenger to basically make more profit for your e-commerce store. Now, again, these are top 3 strategies that I can offer you right now. There's obviously a lot more that you can play around with. The one thing that you have to walk away from this video is that you need to have a plan. You need to have a strategy in place. And most importantly, if you want to really beat your competitor and actually make a ridiculous amount of profit during this most profitable time in the entire year, you need to really figure out what makes you special. Why should customers buy from you and not from other people? And that's where all this comes in place, your marketing promotion and how you actually broadcast that message or how you advertise that message to your customers and new prospects at the same time. All right? If you like any of this, seriously, write down below, leave me a comment. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you want to learn more about the Messenger, make sure there's a link right in the video description where you can actually sign up to actually, or I think there's a link somewhere at the top too, where you can actually sign up, save your seat, and my buddy and I are going to actually talk more about Messenger for e-commerce, all right? So I hope you like this video, and I look forward on seeing you in our next episode. Peace out.